Everyone, I had a problem with a 3.6 liter Dodge Durango. The vehicle was saying that it was not coming up to temperature, so I ended up buying this kit right here, which basically includes the thermostat, spring and metal piece assembly with the gasket. And there's a lot of videos already online on how to take off this unit, but basically there's just two screws. There's one here and one below here. Loosen the hose off from the assembly, and that all comes apart. But then there's two different ways to do this. One is by replacing this entire unit, and the other one is the one I have here when I got this kit. And there's a lot of videos online about changing it, but not necessarily how to do it, and people were struggling with getting off this spring piece here with the metal, and basically having a difficult time with it. But I found that this kit included this piece of cardboard tubing right here. It's like, what does this do? And to be honest, to be able to quickly change this, you take your metal plate, you put it on the tube here, put it like that, and then the action is basically you just take your assembly, push down, twist, it comes out. Replace the components, your thermostat, your spring and your metal plate, put it back down, and then just twist it again, done in 30 seconds. So I want to have a quick video on how to do that. I hope this helps. Have a great day.